Welcome guys to the channel. I'm trying something new here with a little bit of voiceover. This is the first time out with the new tractor, PowersStar 75. I don't actually usually run the hay pine, usually my brother does, so he's a little bit better at it than me. The tedding helps just dry the hay out quicker, gets it off the ground, makes the hay spread out a little bit so it'll dry better. I should have stopped and taken the hay off the PTO, but I didn't. I was pushing the baler a little bit with the amount of hay I was jamming in it. Oh, there's my brother. He raked. I didn't really get any footage of him actually raking, so that's about as much you'll see as from raking. Yeah, I got a little ambitious with how much I jammed in there. Got lucky this time. I didn't jam. Well, did jam. I didn't have to get off the tractor to unjam it. You can just back off the throttle and it'll sometimes bite. The clutch will re-engage and feed it through. I got way too ambitious on this one. I actually did have to get off the tractor for this. I actually jammed the infeed and not the pickup, so it makes more of a mess. Oh, just stalled the tractor. I was really beat at this point, so I didn't have much energy. I spent the morning cutting logs, so that'll be an upcoming video. I took a walk to go get cell service. To the left there you can see me walking way out there. I needed my brother to bring me down some tools to help unplug it. I completely forgot to turn the camera back on to go and record picking up the bales. So all you get is my brother stacking them. didn't quite have enough reach to go and pick up that top bale. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to leave you with a little clip of cutting a log.